Rolling unit. Maru, a visionary Estonian firm, is making waves with its rolling unit, an expandable trailer that triples in size at the push of a button. Imagine a compact trailer that unfolds into a roomy 30 square meter space. That's the XL version of the rolling unit. This cleverly designed space can morph into anything from a cozy office to a stylish barbershop. It's not just about size though. The unit is superbly insulated and comes with the Mitsubishi split system, offering a comfortable environment in temperatures as high as 50 degrees Celsius or as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Thinking of going green? You can equip it with solar panels for greater self-sufficiency. And here's the best part. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just 8 minutes. You can do it the old-fashioned way with a button or use your smartphone for remote activation. The rolling unit is truly a marvel of modern, versatile design.